this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to access and remove the battery in 4 different types of Audi key fobs. So let's dive in and get started. So basically just flip it over. You guys are going to use a little pick or a screwdriver and come right down here and just pry up, and this back panel will pop up. The battery is right underneath that panel. You're going to see a little notch in the circle, and you can just put your little pick in there and pop that out. So how you remove the battery is we're going to hit the little metal tab on the back side and pull the metal key out. Flip the key over, and you guys are going to see a little push button right here that's black. And all we do is push that in, and then you can maneuver this out. And this is the battery tray. So your battery will be right there. As you can see, I've already removed this. You have a little press tab on each side, so just go ahead and push that, and then you can pull the key shank out. Push those same deals and pull the piece out right there, and there will be a battery in here, which obviously I've already removed, so pop it out. So what you're going to do is press the little button on the back side. This is going to be the release for the actual metal key part. The battery sits right here behind this trap door. So I'm going to use the screwdriver to point out the tab that's in here that we need to push up, and it's all the way over here on the left. You'll see it. It's just a little tab on the trap door. So take the metal key, you're going to stick it in here and just push up on it like so, and you'll see that the door has popped up, and then you can pop that door up and out. And then there is the tab. So this just kind of sets down in this hole, and you need to pop it up from in here, and then that comes out. So once you have that, go ahead and remove the battery.